Hello, students. This is a challenging question on shapes where we are to find the area of the square AEDC. Now, let's talk about the solution to this question. Okay, the first thing we are to note in this question is we have to find the area. It's a square. So, the first thing we know that area of a square is L times L, which is going to be L squared. But in this case, we are not given any of the sides. Okay, so it means that we can say, let a side be X, all right? Let a side be X. Of course, we know that all of them are the same. So this should be X and this should be X. Now, of course, we can come to say the area is x times x, which is going to be x squared. So if we can find the value of x, which is the length of a side, then we can find the area of the shape or the square. Now, another thing given to us in this question is the area of triangle BCG. All right. So we have area of triangle BCG, and the area is 10 meters squared. That is very important. So we've gotten that. Now, the second is this 30 meters square, which is the area of FGD, right? So we still have area of triangle FGD, which is 30 meters squared. So these are important things given to us in this question. Then the last thing is that we are told that the length of AB, we know length of AB is equals to 4 centimeters. So very important. We've gotten some things that we need for this question. Now, since we've have everything written out, let's go back to the question. Where can I start from? Now, think of it. Why not let's look at triangle BCD? Okay, I want to look at triangle BCD. So we consider triangle BCD. Now, this is a triangle BCD. Let me have it here. Okay. It's actually a right angle triangle. All right. So we have BCD. Now, from this, we can see that DC is a side, which is X. So we have it as X here. Then BC, how do I get BC? Now, I can get BC, of course. I know that AC is actually equals to AB plus BC. And AC, of course, is the length of a side, which is X. Let me show you. Okay, you can see it. The sides are the same, so it is basically X. Then it's equals to AB, which is 4, then plus BC. So, of course, BC must be X minus 4 centimeters. So I'm going to have X minus 4 centimeters here. All right. Now, if I have this, I can actually find the area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle BCD. How am I going to get it? Of course, is 1 over 2 base times height. So which is going to be 1 over 2, and the base is x minus 4, then times the height, which is x. Okay, so basically this is going to be x into x minus 4 by 2. All right, we can expand it to have x squared minus 4x all over 2. All right, so this is the area of triangle BCD. Now, having gotten this, let's take note. Let me show you the shape so that you can see. Can you see where G is? All right, then let's come down. Do you know I can actually have here to be my G? Now, if you check it, of course, from the question, this place is the place that is 10 meters squared. Okay, so we cannot say that note that area of triangle BCD must actually be, look at it very well, the area of triangle BCG plus CDG. All right, check it out. So it's going to be equal to the area of triangle BCG plus area of triangle CDG. Now check it out. You can see it from this diagram, or you can access it from this diagram. All right. So therefore, but if you check, I actually don't know the area of CDG. I don't know. So why not let this area, let this be y meter squared. Let's have it as y meter squared. Okay, so we'll come down to this place. We'll say, all right, area of BCD, which is x squared minus 4x over 2, is equals to area of BCG, which we said is 30, sorry, not 30, is 10 meters squared, okay, plus the area of CDG, which is y meter squared. All right, this is very important, so we can write it as x squared minus 4x all over 2 is equals to 10 plus y. All right, so x squared minus 4x is equals to 2 into 10 plus y, so that x squared minus 4x is equals to 20 plus 2y. Now let this be my equation 1. So I'll keep it, right? Having gotten equation 1, let's go back to the diagram. Why not let me consider triangle CFD? CFD. Now, let me consider triangle CFD, okay? Considering triangle CFD. You agree with me that this is exactly how it looks like? Okay, now, let's take note of something. Do you know that CD is actually equals to X? You can see from this diagram. So, this is X. And if we check it very well, we can see that it is having a perpendicular, look at it, this is a perpendicular height of X, right? So we can come down to say the perpendicular height is also X. So we are done with that, and we can find the area. So area of the triangle is going to be 1 over 2 times X times what? X. So this is going to be X squared over 2. So we are done with that. All right, we've gotten that. But again, just like the first one we consider, if you check, there is a line that crosses this, and the area here is 30 meters squared. Okay, I got it all from this diagram. You can inspect it, you check it. All right. Okay, good. So let me go back and continue. Now, when we see this, then we can note that area of triangle CFD is actually equals to area of triangle CDG plus that of FDG. Now look at it, okay? It is very important. Now let's not forget that this place is the G, okay? It's from the question. Let me check so that you can you can see the G, all right? So it's very important that we know that, okay? So that you not be like, I'm just getting the values just like that, all right? Now, because of what we've done, an area of CFD, we found it already, which is x squared over 2. So we're going to have x squared over 2. Now, is equals to area of triangle CDG. Now, look at it from here. We say area of triangle CDG is y meter squared. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you so that you be very, look at it here. Okay, y meters squared. So we'll come down. So this is going to be y meter squared. Then area of triangle FDG, of course, is plus is going to be 30 meters squared. So we have that. At the end of the day, we are going to have x squared over 2 is equals to y plus 30. Cross multiplying, x squared is going to be 2 into y plus 30. So we are going to have x squared is equals to 2y plus 30. Okay, this should be my equation 2. Now, since I have the two equations, so solving equations 1 and 2 simultaneously, this is what I'm going to get. Equation 1 is actually x squared minus 4x is equals to 2y plus 20. Then I can rearrange this so that I can have equation 2 as x squared. If I wish, I can put plus 0x if I want, just to make it look nice. Then is equals to 2y plus, let me check. I think this should be 60. All right. So I hope I'm not making mistakes. So thank you for. All right. Good. I've seen this. Now this is going to be 60. This is what I have. So what do I do to actually solve this question? And I'm finding out that this is x squared. So why not let me just subtract? I will just subtract so that this goes, and here I'm going to have minus 4x. Then this goes, and I'm going to have minus 40. Yes, minus 40. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have x is equals to minus 40 divided by minus 4. So my x is going to be what? 10 meters. So I've gotten my x. Remember we said that the area of the square is actually x squared. So this is going to be 10 squared, which is 100 meters squared. So this is the area of the shape. The solution is a bit lengthy, but I want to believe it's interesting. When you check it, you find out that there are so many intriguing things. You need to think, okay? Think outside the box. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more interesting videos. I'm here for you. Please make sure you subscribe and make sure you watch my videos. Thank you.